Thank you so much, guys.
Done mean you bet I felt it. Try to be chill, it's just so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing gonna stop you, put divine intervention. Reckoning to give my time. So when someone learns some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. He cannot wait. I'm yours.
Maya-maya ng konti, basta tayo dito mga idol.
Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. With just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. He cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate our time. Be sure this is our fate. I'm yours. Don't you close it here. I will never you here. I've been spinning away too long, checking my tongue in the mirror, bending on my backward just to try to see it clearer. My breath fall off the glass, so I drew a new face and laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rate yourself for vanities and just go with the season. What we aim to do, our name is a virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait.
Shoutout tayo. Shoutout tayo mga idol. Ayan. Parang, eto, 50. Shoutout kay Mary Grace. Ay, tama ba? Ayan. Idol, kantahin mo naman, Ajay Agbabakit. Muray ni. Agbabakit. Munta na ba nga eh. Bakit ang pangit ng trip nyo, mga idol? Agbabakit mo. Another 50 from, di ko alam. Ayan, may nagbigay ng $200 million, mga idol. Kaya, mga idol, dun sa message nung Gcash, please. Kasi hindi ko bumabasa, may asterisk yung mga pangalan ninyo. Parang ito. May nagbigay ulit ng $200 million. Parang kay Mariel. Tama ba? Mariel A. Ayun, shoutout sa inyo. Kay Mary Kyrie. Kyrel? Hindi ko kabisado mga idol kasi yan. So, 100. Kaya, congratulations, Lods. Pa-shoutout kay Chris Geocado. Thank you. Ayan, shoutout sa iyo, Chris Geocado. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa $100 million. At eto, merong $100 million ulit. Lodi, pa-request naman, kasama ka, favorite ko yan. Sige mga idol, kantayin natin yung kasama ka na original natin. And merong $300 million. Kaso walang mga idol, walang... Thank you po. At syempre, $100 million ulit. I'm happy for you, idol, from Marie Chris Mendoza. Thank you so much po. Dahil po sa inyo yan, mga idol, maraming salamat po. Whoop! Mamaya, saglit lang. Ayan, $100 million ulit. Waiting for you on June 2 here in South Cotabato. Maraming salamat po. Kung sino man po kayo, basta RI yung una ng pangalan niya, please, dun sa message, dun nyo na rin ilagay yung mga, nyo mga idol, yung mga pa-shoutout nyo. Tasing Quents, congrats idol from Marikina, Marlene Alcantara and Margo. Thank you so much guys. At $200 million, request ng With a Smile Lodi Cake. Ayan, sige. Panatan natin yan mga idol. Lodi kong mahal. Parang si parang si Casey Maupay to. Kabisado ko na eh. Ayan. Perfecto by Dong Abay. Sige. Iano natin yan mga idol. Shoutout Lodi sa MRFC, ang family Linta, kasama ka, Rocky. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Ano yung request ulit? Kasama ka, oo nga pala. With a Smile pala. Alright, kantayin natin yung kasama ka. Ay, With a Smile muna. Lift your head. Alright. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can never everything, but you can try. Sorry. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. This sounds funny, but I say it anyway. Girl, I stay through the bad times, even if I had to fetch you every day. You get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world around. And don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Let me hear you singing.
someone who love can make the world go round. And don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile, but now it's time to kiss away the says goodbye. Let me hear you singing.
Thank you, guys.
Puso ay nagdurugo, hindi mo yata alam kung saan ka patungo. Ikaw ay naliligaw, isip ay nalilito, ayaw mo nang gumalaw, hindi ka sigurado. Ikaw ay napupuwing, minsan nabubulagan, mata ay nakapiring, daan ay kadiliman. Ikaw ay nadarapa, napipilayan din, di makapagsalita, anong ibig sabihin?
Here's your request song, Perfecto by Dong Aban.
Wala namang perfectong tao. Ano ba ang epekto kung meron kang depekto? 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 Ikaw ay nawawala, minsan ay nawawalan, di ka naniniwala, puno ng alinlangan. Ikaw ay nanliliit, ligtas ka ba sa rehas? Bakit ka nakapiit? Bakit ka tumatakas? Ikaw ay natatakot, parang walang hangganan. Ang kirot ng bangungot, di mo makalimutan. Ikaw ay nandulumo, bilang na ba ang araw? Gusto mo nang sumuko, mundo kang nagugunaw. Wala namang perfectong tao. Ano ba ang epekto kung meron kang depekto? 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 Ikaw ay inaalon, walang kalaban-laban, tuluyang nalulunod tungo sa kalaliman. Ikaw ay nalulula, agad kang nahuhulog, bumabagsak sa lupa at biglang natuturo. Ikaw ay nagdurusa, kaya pa bang tumagal? Hindi na makahinga, lalo pang nasasakal. Ikaw ay dumadaing, dala mo ba ay sumpa? Para kang ililibing at ipinagluluksa. Wala namang perfectong tao. Ano ba ang epekto kung meron kang depekto? 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 Wala namang pasok. Ano ba ang epekto kung meron kang depekto? Wala namang perpektong tao.
Maraming salamat sa request yung mga idol kong mapagmahal.